If you're looking to add a scroll bar to a Practice Better page, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through how to get it done with ease, so stick around to learn exactly what you need to do and why it's important for enhancing the user experience. First things first, why would you want a scroll bar on your Practice Better page? A scroll bar can help make your content easier to navigate, especially when you're dealing with lengthy information. If you have a lot of content on a page, a scroll bar lets users seamlessly explore without cluttering the page with an overwhelming amount of text. It's a simple tool, but it can significantly improve how your content is viewed. Next, let's dive into how to actually add the scroll bar. The quickest method is by adjusting the CSS of your page. If you're familiar with coding, this will be a breeze. Head into your Practice Better settings and look for the custom CSS section. Here's where you'll enter the necessary code to make your content scrollable. You can add a simple overflow scroll property to your content container's CSS rules. This will force the vertical scroll bar to appear, making sure that users can scroll through long text without any issues. If you're not familiar with coding, don't worry. You can hire a developer or use an embedded widget that offers customizable styles without needing to touch the code. The third thing to consider is setting the height for your content. Without a defined height, your content might take up too much space and the scroll bar won't function properly. You'll need to define a maximum height for the content container to allow the scroll bar to appear and function correctly. Just add something like max height 400px to your container and the scroll bar will be enabled when your content exceeds that height. Next thing to keep in mind is how the scroll bar looks. You can customize it using CSS as well. Practice Better doesn't offer many built-in design options for this, but you can tweak the color, size, and behavior of the scroll bar through custom CSS. For example, you can make it thinner, change its color to match your brand, or even hide it until someone starts scrolling. With just a bit of CSS, you can fine-tune the look and feel of your scroll bar so it integrates perfectly with your page design. Now, one potential issue with adding a scroll bar is the impact on mobile devices. Scroll bars work great on desktop views, but they might not be as user-friendly on mobile, where screen space is limited. You can tweak the CSS to ensure your content is still readable and accessible on mobile devices. This may involve adjusting the layout or implementing a custom solution like a scroll to top button to help users navigate large pages more easily. But here's the thing, while Practice Better is a solid platform, adding a scroll bar is just one part of the overall experience. There are alternatives out there that are easier to use and provide more robust customization options. These platforms can give you even more control over your page layout, content, and user experience. They also come with free trials, so you can explore them risk-free. Now, before we wrap up, here's the deal. I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you want to try Practice Better or any of these alternatives, the link in the description gives you access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. So, while Practice Better's scroll bar feature can definitely enhance your page, there are even better alternatives out there that might better serve your needs for a seamless, custom user experience. Check out the link below for more details on these amazing options, all with their own free trials.